So you need to detach your energy, because this person feels when you detach from them, because you're so closely connected. And when you pull back, they chase you, okay? If you are chasing them, they are not going to want it. I feel like with this World card, this is a springtime connection coming in. So I feel that by the springtime, you will actually be together. I do see them reaching out before that, but I feel that by the spring is when you guys will finally kind of seal the deal. I feel like at the moment they're a little bit peeved off with you, and that is because you've stood in your power and you've pulled back a bit, and they're not happy about that. But trust me, let them stew, let them figure it out, because they will be stepping forward to you. Right now, my cards are showing me that they're wanting to come forward for you. They're wanting to take action. They're wanting to communicate with you, but they can't. They feel that they can't. They feel stuck. So what they're trying to do is distract themselves with other people, distract themselves with other things, but they cannot take their main focus off you. Now, this person is literally mesmerized by you. They think you're amazing. They've never met anyone like you, and like I said earlier, they have a lot of people around them like the same sex as them, and those people look up to them. They have respect for them, but also they can tap into the opposite sex, so they could have a lot of the opposite, so female attention if they desired. And I think that they've possibly done that in the past. I don't see them being particularly like that now. However, they have met a lot of people in their time. No one is quite like you. They're low-key obsessing, but with that obsession, that's just my microphone for my YouTube videos. With that obsession, they are searching out your socials. They are looking at your socials. I can literally see them scrolling through and waiting for when you've posted something to keep updated with it. So trust me, they're doing that. They're also having conversations about you with their friends. They're asking for advice on not only how to come forward in the situation. Look, they're confused. They don't know how to come forward. Not only in how to come forward, but also they're seeking validation about you from their friends. Validation if you really do like them, if you are into them that much. There's something around the validation, because this person will be stepping out of an F-boy energy and more so into a divine masculine energy in order to be with you. And they know that. They've done a lot of self-reflection, reflective work around that. They know that they've got to give up certain aspects of their life, but they're ready to do that. They're quite happy to do that and get on with that. What else do we need to know? What other validation, confirmation does the universe, our angel guides have for us? A little bit of patience is needed. I also feel that if you're seeing angel numbers, I'm actually seeing all the fours. So like fours could be prevalent for you. So your birthday's either 4th of the 4th, or your telephone number's got a lot of fours in it, or your number plate, or where you live, your social security, whatever it may be. Like they're saying all the fours.